Hi, it's Anna and Matt from Dance from Home.
Welcome to our demo class to the song Can't Help Falling in Love. Welcome to the first part of our course to the song Can't Help Falling in Love. First we will show you first steps of part number 1. Now just watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so let's dance together. From your side there is an audience. We stand at the back of our room in the middle.
So first we will explain ladies steps and after that guy steps. Okay, so ladies, prepare your right foot, okay, and we will take 2 steps forward. So let's try. And 1 step forward, another step forward. Very good. And now we will turn to the left. So how to do this? We will just take some steps on the spot, okay? Turning to the left. So let's go. Right, left, right, left. Very good. And we will finish in front of our partner. Okay. So let's try to do this together from the top. So we will wait. 1, 2, and then we go. 3, 4, and then we will turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's really important that we finish on our left and our right is prepared. So I will do it for the last time, but this time I will stand back to you. So you can follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish on your left.
Okay guys, our steps. So we stand like this. We start with our steps forward, starting from our left. Okay, so we go left forward, right forward, then we rotate to our lady, taking a step forward, and then back to your right. So we want to finish facing this way towards our lady. Okay, let's do it again. We start on count 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. We want to finish on our right foot. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, so we stand like this in the same line. My right hand is from the bottom,
My hand is from the top.
lady is to my right. My left free hand is behind my back, fingers joined together.
Girls, if you want, you can grab your dress.
First we look at each other, we start to hear the music and we count 1, 2 and we start on 3, 3, 4, then ladies turn 5, 6 and we finish 7, 8 going into the frame. Okay, so what happens to guys our right hand? Okay, let's do it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our hand goes higher. And then on 5, 6, we start to draw a circle with our right hand in the direction of lady's left arm. Okay, so around lady's head. When lady finishes her turn, so she's already facing us, we shift our weight to our right, release our right hand, put it on lady's shoulder blade, and catch lady's other hand with our left hand. Okay, this way we build our frame.
Girls, we will put our left hand on our partner's shoulder. Okay, so make sure that you keep your arm close to his body.
Okay, let's do it again, slowly to the counting. And
1, 2, 3,
higher,
4, 5,
draw a circle,
6,
shift your
7,
weight and
release.
go into the frame.
Very good. So from here we will release our arms and immediately build our frame. Okay?
Thanks for watching. If you liked our dance lesson, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. If you want to learn how to dance step by step, go to dancefromhome.com and start your online dance classes today. Also, remember to find us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Thanks again and see you soon.